Hello, this is Carson Adams with the Simulink model of the Ridge Robotics robot, Cerebra. This robot simulation is designed in order to test some of the various features of our robot, like the magnetic properties of our magnetic intake system. Here we see the main simulation, which is broken into many different components of the robot represented as subsystems, which are connected together and given the various inputs needed to appropriately model the robot. First, let's take a look at how an individual system is built. This is the system for our claw, a component that has been constructed to behave and look exactly how the physical claw does. To model the robot, we first went into CAD and designed the parts, not actually in Simulink. Then we exported the CAD designs to Simulink and put them inside file blocks like these. For example, here is a claw here. We use file blocks starting from the main component, working with rigid transforms to add on additional blocks and reconstruct the system. We then use revolute joints to spin the claw gears one direction and actuate them. We then also provide some hitboxes or proxies to replace the claw pincers when looking for collisions. We found that with collisions, it was too complicated to use just the pincers, and so we had to add proxies. Here we see the claw interacting with a block. As you can see, these transparent pieces are proxies and have contact forces with this block, making it move. Coming back to the main robot simulation, the method that we talked about was repeated for each of the systems seen here. We started from the base and added on top the other systems. Together they precisely model the movement of our robot with our wheels contained in the base system, our capacity to manipulate objects with our arm and claw systems, and of course our signature method of picking up factoids with our magnetic drum, which uses inverse square law forces to pick up the factoids. In modeling our robot, we have been able to optimize our robot, and we have learned the incredible tool and skill of using MATLAB.